Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off auto media download on Signal. So let's start. First, open the Signal app. On the Signal app, whenever you receive GIF, photo, video or even documents, it is automatically downloaded to your phone. And this is very problematic since this eats up all of your storage of your phone without your knowledge. Now let me show you how you can turn off this feature. Now go to the home screen and then tap on three dots on top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Now on the Settings, tap on Data and Storage. And here you will see Media Auto Download. First, tap on When using mobile data. Then deselect all and then tap OK. Now tap on When using Wi-Fi. Deselect all and tap OK. And when roaming is by default is deselected. And from now on, whenever you receive any photo, video, GIF or even documents, it will not be downloaded on your phone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.